Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cover Drives and Cutting Chai. We are back to you with a recap of the India Pakistan match that happened on Sunday. We'll talk a little bit about how the game went, what are the good takeaways, what are the issues that looks like, what are the things that look like issues currently to everyone watching from afar, and what are the things that we can improve on, and how are we going to tackle the coming matches. With me, I have my co host Sahana. Hey, hi
Hi,
Sahana.
hi.
You've been really busy. Thanks for taking the time out.
Things are going on. That's all I can say right now.
Cool, cool.
Yes.
So we'll dive right into the match, the India Pakistan game. What started off as a good partnership in the first 2-3 overs looked like they were going steady. And that was until Mandana was LBW at just 23 runs. So far, the opening batters have not been great as much as we expected them to be coming into the tournament, especially what they've shown that they're capable of. I think that has not gotten going. Mandana has scored in 2 matches 30 odd runs. And then at number 3, we had Harleen. She showed some intent, first ball boundary, and then soon after that, again, Pratika Rawal was bowled. So I would say not a great batting effort, especially by the top order. The team looked like they were under pressure and on the back foot the whole time,
True.
except for the first 3-4 overs. If you forget that, I think they completely looked under pressure. And this is Pakistan we are playing against. Like, my only concern is what are we going to do when we are playing bigger teams like South Africa. No, yeah, now South Africa has shown us how they can bounce back. They had that game against New Zealand yesterday and won it. Beautiful century by Tasman Brits. So I think South Africa, England, even New Zealand are not a bad side, though they've not had good couple of games. Australia, obviously, like if this is the batting performance against those teams, I'm not very confident. I am
Honestly,
scared.
like I lost my cool when I saw Harman get out on the leg
Yeah,
side. I'm like, oh no! Like, how are we expected to play against these games with this
yeah.
kind of shot selection? And we might call it unlucky, like, but still, man, it's not done that
Luck
way.
and Harman have not been on the same side
Yeah,
for a
for
very
a
long
very long
time, and we are familiar with that.
time. That's
We'll
fair.
not get into those details. But yeah, and I understand that it was a good bowling effort by especially Sadia Iqbal. She was bowling very tight line and length.
True.
Uh, but against Pakistan, when you're going at a run rate of 3-4, I think was the average run rate throughout the batting innings. I think Harleen, I think we should call out, played really well. She had some good shots, was in control until she was out at 46. That was a miscalculated shot.
Yeah.
But yeah, she looked like the only one who was actually showing the intent to go after the park bowling.
And thank God for Richa Ghosh to get us that total again.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Otherwise, she played it like a regular T20 inning where she has 3, 4
absolutely.
overs and then she's like, I'm gonna bank on just
Such a gem she is. Like, amazing player. She knows she has in her head. She's been given this job. You are a tail ender. You have to go and just start hitting. So
yeah.
she hit 2 sixes. I think around 3 boundaries. I'm not very sure, but she showed that she's the 35 runs not out innings that she played really instilled the confidence back.
I
I
think
think,
17 balls or something.
yeah,
It's
for
like
35 runs.
200
Yeah,
strike rate. She's just been
yeah,
amazing. Yeah, so otherwise probably we would be in trouble
mm,
if that didn't happen. And yeah, I mean, there are concerns about her keeping and everything, the decision, but this is what we need. It's okay, she drops a catch or two or lets one go,
yeah.
but we need that batting power down the order.
Yep. And I think even keeping, she might have a bad day and drop a few catches, but she is the best option that we have right now.
Absolutely.
Uh, and she has shown it previously that she is a very good keeper at times.
Yeah.
Uh, s- I think that is the best option to go with, given her batting performance as well. So I think the pressure that is currently on the middle order with the openers not sometimes not having a good day. I think you need people like Richa Ghosh. I mean, the
Yeah.
other substitute that we have is Uma Chetri for keeping,
Yes.
I think.
Yes. Yes.
So I don't
Yeah.
know how confident are we that
Yeah.
she can pull off something like
We
a Richa
can't
Ghosh.
afford have not having Richa in the 11, I think,
Exactly,
because
exactly.
yeah, she's been
Yeah.
doing it for RCB as well. India team
Absolutely.
T20s as well. So
Yes.
she knows what she's uh, doing and
Yep.
what is expected of her. So I think,
Yeah.
yeah, that's good.
And I think she's one of those who comfortably have that power to clear the ropes. So
It
I
looks
think
very,
that is
yeah,
also on the middle order, in the absence of Amanjot, it was a little bit scary when Jemmy also got out and
yeah,
Harman also just 19 runs. I think that was a good catch that by the park keeper.
yeah.
Uh, but
She just,
even
like, what do we say? Calculated it so well that she saw the ball going to left. I think she covered some 3 meters or something and then caught it. It was a very good catch, very good presence of mind of where the ball is going and everything. So kudos to her. But Harman, man, come on.
yeah, I mean, a lot is expected out of Harman. She's such an idol. She's such a great player. We've all seen her over the years, over the last decade. We know what she's capable of. But I think something more is needed. She needs to attack like she used to. That is her style. She can't
Yeah,
play these calculated and very
Karing innings.
easygoing, comfortable shots. Like where she has to go after the bowling. Like that has been her style, and that is what works for her. I don't know why she's not been doing this in a long time now.
True. Yeah, I think the last time I saw her play like that was Commonwealth,
Yeah, yeah,
where she was like absolutely ferocious no matter
yes.
what the innings is, where we are going. She was like, I'm going to attack you guys. Even that match against Australia, we would have won if not for.
Everybody knows that one.
Yeah.
Yes. But I
So,
think those
Harman's
are.
run out haunt me.
I know that
It's a
run
like,
out. Like
oh,
that run out is haunted. Is the stuff of nightmares. Let's just say that. But yeah, she does well in English conditions, anyways. But all these things and all these stats that we are talking about are really old. They're not even something that she's done last 1, 2 years, or even probably more than that. But yeah, hoping this tournament is going to be a turnaround for. And yeah, that I think that is enough of us thrashing the batting.
I have an idea. We should get Healy to say something against Harman to bring out
Yeah,
that
and then
speed.
she'll get instigated and
And
she'll do
he's like,
something crazy.
bro,
Yeah.
you look at me now.
Yeah,
we,
Healy's being too friendly to her nowadays.
yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, Healy is the problem.
See,
That's
we
being
know the
honest.
problem and the solutions.
Yeah. But yeah, before we end that, let's talk about Deepti Sharma.
What do
She's been there consistently for the team.
Yeah, she's been the
I
rock of
think,
the team.
yeah, she is an absolute all rounder. She scored a quick 25 of 33 balls, but really crucial innings
Yeah,
to, I think, Deepti Sharma, Sneh Rana, Richa Ghosh. I think it was really important. And Jemmy also, she finally did score around 32 runs.
yeah,
It was she was out, but thank God it was a no ball. But
yeah,
I think she got another life there. But yeah, those 32 runs, and I think they batted really well towards the end. Everyone scoring 30 odd runs. It was a good comeback after
yeah.
the
So
top
I
order.
think the run rate dropped extremely between 11 to 20 and 31 to 40, but Baki it was fine, like five, around
Yeah,
five. But those were like very bad overs. So
yeah,
hopefully we figure out how to score because I think this has been a pattern for 2 games right now. So have to buckle up and figure
yes.
things out.
Moving on to the bowling. We have Renuka Singh Thakur who is back opening
Back.
the bowling attack. She did
Yes.
not get any wickets, but I think her being fit and back in the team is enough confidence for us.
Yeah.
Um, everybody knows she has a beautiful opening spell, and the only other bowlers I can think of who are Marizan Cap, I think, who have like when they open the bowling have
That kind of
very
impact
good
on it.
control.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
True.
So
Yes. Yeah,
and
happy to see her back in the side
yeah,
and hopefully she gets her wickets in the next game.
Yes, another brilliant bowling. I think another catch. The best of the lot on that day was Kranti God.
Uh,
Say, yeah, go ahead. I know you are a
What?
big fan.
Yeah, yeah. What a find she is. Shout out to UP Warriors, guys. You got us a gem over there. So, yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
she bowled 6 overs in the opening spell and
Mhm.
she got 2 wickets and she just leaked 10 runs in 6 overs. I think she got 2 maiden overs. It was like just the ball was just listening to her. And yeah, I think there was a call that she made on the field that she wanted the second slip for her last over where
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
someone wanted to
Deepti
take her.
Sharma
I was
got it.
like, एक ओवर के लिए रख दो बस. And then she got the wicket. I just saw her turn around to Harman and point like मैंने बोला था ना आपको types. That was so
Yeah.
cute of her. But yeah, she also got the mind to place things and yeah, she has a lot of game awareness, I feel, which is really good to see given she's so young. So she's
Mhm.
gonna turn out into a very good all rounder, I feel. Like I'm taking a risk here and calling her an all rounder, given options and given training with this setup. I think she can
Yeah.
strike a few ball here and there.
She
She's
can
like
also come
Jeffrey
and end it along with like Richa. She showed that, right? She scored
Yes.
8 runs, 2 boundaries
Two
actually.
boundaries, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. But
Whatever way it might come in,
yeah,
runs are runs. We
doesn't
don't
matter.
care. Yeah.
So I
And
think, yeah, overall, I think she bowled her entire spell, just gave away 30 runs, took
yes,
3 very crucial
I think it's
wickets,
20,
brought us,
not
kept us in
30.
the game the whole
Yeah.
time.
Only
So
20 runs if I'm not wrong. So yeah, took 3 wickets and gave away
yeah,
just
she took
20
three
runs. So
wickets. Oh yeah, 20 runs. She gave away
economy of
20 runs.
two in a ODI game is
Yeah,
amazing.
crazy.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And as usual, what do we even say about Deepti Sharma, man? Like 3 wickets, consistently
Yeah,
taking two, three
three
wickets like it's
wickets.
nothing.
I
And
hope she stays like this. Nazar na
touch
lage
wood.
Bhagwan.
Yeah, yeah.
Please, Deepti Sharma ko nazar nahi lag
We'll do
sakti,
like
please.
to her photo.
Yeah. And then Sneh Rana, though her economy wasn't great, she gave away a lot of runs, almost 40
Yeah,
runs in
but
8 overs,
still, yeah, she got two
but
wickets.
still got 2 wickets. It's good. Yeah. Hopefully we continue this bowl. I am fine with the bowling attack that we have right now. The
So
only issue I think is that when Amanjot is back, who do you replace her with in this team?
I think, yeah. It's a very tough question for everyone, I think, including the selectors, Keith.
Yeah, it's a
Who-
tough one to answer. I mean,
You
having a
can't
good
let them
bench
go.
strength
Harleen
is
is like performing.
exactly. You can't replace her with Harleen. Harleen is the only one who has been consistently scoring runs in the top order. She's got, I think, 40 something in both the games.
Yes.
So she's the only one who has gotten some runs. Yeah,
Yeah.
both got out for 46 and 48 in both the games. But she's the one who's been holding the top order together, looks like so far. So you can't replace her with Jemmy is too precious to not be on the team. Like, not just her batting, the fielding and the energy that she brings on the field. I think that is very important. She's one of the best fielders that we have.
Yeah.
Uh, so you can't replace her with that.
I
Your
mean,
overall fielding effort drops.
can we play like 15 people substituting one another, please? Because we don't want
Yeah, and
anyone
then
dropped out.
yeah, and then we also have people like Radha Yadav on the bench who
Yeah,
we have
like,
not seen.
yeah.
Problem of plenty, but this is a good problem to have, I'd say. We'll have to watch closely what are the venues, how are the pitches, and what are the players that they're going to play accordingly. I think some of them have a really good experience playing in Navi Mumbai. So that is probably they already know who works and what works and what doesn't work. But
Yeah.
Vizag, Indore, these are not venues that we are familiar with. That we have not seen any of these players play much on these venues. So that's a big problem to have actually at the moment.
Yes. Given Renuka is back fully
Yeah.
fit and she's bowling well, not up to the mark where she used to, but still you can't discount experience as well. So she's got a lot of experience. She knows how to get wickets, those early breakthroughs. So it's going to be a tough call to take. I think most probably we'll go with one fast bowler whenever there is a pitch that is slow and that grips a little. We'll have to either let go of Kranti or Renuka in that matter.
Yep.
But yeah, it's okay. I think if they drop one of those, Aman will come into picture where she can bowl that seam and also get those runs.
Yep.
It's gonna be that, I feel, given you can't drop Sneerana or
Yeah.
Deepti Sharma in
Absolutely.
that matter.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm also like
Think.
hoping to see a couple of overs by Harleen, seeing if she
Mhm.
has done any work on her bowling because she does bowl a little.
Yep.
So we'll have to see if she's given a chance. If her place is like completely secure, she'll have to like work a little to contribute more. But if one of the bowlers have an off day, like Sneerana yesterday was leaking runs, so someone has to come in and stop those runs a little so that the team gains confidence and the batters are under pressure and those easy singles are not being given, they're getting beaten. That will instill a lot of doubt in them. So we need someone to do that as well. Hopefully, we'll get that perfect 11 combo for perfect grounds. Yeah.
Yeah. But we'll have to watch out for how they're going to handle this.
Completely forgot talking about Aru.
Yeah, we forgot Arundhati Reddy.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's going to be a
Hmm.
tough call for the coaches, given she's also termed fit.
Yep.
Yeah.
Despite that injury scare, she's fit to play
Yes.
and
Yes.
she's
Yes.
there with the team. Good
So,
problems to have, tough solutions. Let's see how the team handles it. That's
yes.
our recap on the India Park game. The next game that we have is India versus South Africa on 9th October, 3 p.m. Again, this is being played at Vishakhapatnam. Let's see how the game goes. It is South Africa. You cannot discount that team. They won their game against New Zealand yesterday.
Scored 5
Yep.
centuries this year. So she's on a
Yes.
roll.
She's on
So,
a roll. Cap is back. She's pissed and she's back.
yes.
Marizan Cap is at her
Amazing to
best
see
and
her.
she's lost a game and such a threat she can be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lastly, I think I just wanted to add like a bit about, and I don't let me know your thoughts on this, like um on the viewership. So the India Park game started at around 4:30. I was just looking at, I know Hotstar numbers are not the most reliable, but started off with around 1.3 crore viewers that was around 4:30ish, and by the time it ended at 10:30, it was at around 6.1 crore people.
Nice. So yeah, Hotstar just gives the cumulative views.
Yeah, gives the cumulative one.
So
It's
yeah,
not the
but
best measure, but
that's
still
that's a lot of viewership, I
good
feel.
to see it
Yeah.
going from L to CR.
Yes. That's what I was also about to say that yeah, we are seeing improvement and it might be because India
It was an
Pakistan,
India
but
Park game.
and Sunday. I mean the scheduling is very smart in terms of this
Yeah,
any
had to
given
be.
tournament. Yeah, so hopefully people watch the other games as well.
Yep.
And we keep seeing CR at the top, right top corner of our watch.
Yes.
Cool
So
then.
that's a wrap on this episode. We will come back to you with more details on how the South Africa versus India game goes.